everyone, welcome back. Today's video will cover care tips for the kitchen you may not know about. Clean your electric can opener by feeding a paper towel through it. It would help remove the grime. Here is another way to protect your cast iron from rust. Rub it inside and out with wax paper. If you do get rust spots, rub them with half a lemon and some salt to remove the rust. And be sure to coat it with wax paper. Another one for wax paper. If you have wooden bowls like a wooden salad bowl, after washing and drying immediately, rub it inside and out with wax paper as well. If you want to get yourself out of a tight spot with your refrigerator, take a thin piece of wood, or better yet, a fly swatter, cover it with a sock or a piece of material, and then wipe under the refrigerator to clean the floor. Zero in on germs. We all know the sponges can pick up a lot of bacteria. So place your sponge in the dishwasher to sanitize it regularly. SOS pads. They're a love-hate relationship. We love how it cleans, but yet it rusts and crumbles and it doesn't stay very long. A great way to preserve your SOS sponge is to place it in a Ziploc bag and then place it in the freezer. Until next time. Here is another way to sanitize your cutting board, your wooden cutting boards. So what you do is you spray a mist of vinegar, follow it up by spraying a mist of hydrogen peroxide. Here's a tip. You can use the same combination on your meats to kill bacteria. Now, I bet you didn't know that. All right, everyone, that was a quick video on some care tips for the kitchen you may not have known. Let me know if you know of anything or if you learned anything new in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.